Welcome to Rick Riley's World, where we look at Rick's vast collection. What's on the agenda this week?
Well, we'll do this one here. This is a 68 1500 series, which is, I guess you'd call it a ton and a half. A buddy of mine out in Montana, he had it, and he had it shipped back here, and I think the only reason he sent it back because he knew I was dumb enough to buy it.
You mean wise enough? It's an international. You didn't buy it cheap.
No, I guess it's dumb enough, but
Really?
it's these are pretty stout little trucks for the size. This here's got the V8 in it. It's got a 4-speed with a 2-speed axle in it, which is kind of neat. Kind of neat setup. The guy that had it used it to haul hay with to his livestock out in Montana. That's all it was pretty much used for. It was just an old farm truck that just got used up, but it still runs good. It runs and drives. And
2-speed rear end?
yeah, which is kind of like I say, them 2-speed rear ends in these trucks is kind of a neat idea. But it's a heavy duty little sucker. It'll haul a load. I've got roofing metal for my roof on my shed over there on the back. I've got another son that was supposed to finish this project that has not got around to it.
Are both your sons reliable?
No,
Oh, really?
no. I mean, I think one got it from the other.
What about your grandson? Is he reliable?
He's not too bad. He's not too bad, but I think the longer he hangs around his dad, the worse it's going to get.
Well,
He should be moving out. But
looks like you got plenty of storage.
right there's another height of stupidity. I bought those 3 container boxes to keep stuff in. If it didn't have so much junk, I wouldn't need them, but I got it, so.
Let's see under the hood of this one. Does this run?
Yeah. I ain't gonna guarantee you it'll run right now. It's been sitting around here for a while. Get the hood up. Push it down a little bit. Okay. Let's see if it's got enough battery in it.
That's a pretty nice truck. What's your plan on this one?
I don't know, just thought it was a neat truck. Just main thing I guess is just trying to keep them where they're at right now, and maybe somebody else later on down the road will restore them. But you got to have something to start with, so I'm getting about to the point where I got too many. I know I got too many projects right now, but I'll try to keep them up like that, and somebody else can finish them and enjoy them.
Well, that one's a dandy. Thanks for showing us that.
Okay, see you guys.
See you next time.